Here's how the Tagarno TREND Configurator works. First, you can select the microscope's color and the available lenses. Some products are already included by default. These are marked with the Included logo. Click the Next button to proceed to the software selection. Click the More Info button to view detailed product information for each item. Here, you can also select the software applications you need. Under Accessories, you'll find compatible accessories for your Tagarno TREND microscope. Finally, you'll see the summary. Your selected accessories are listed here. Click the Request a Quote button to access the contact form. Once you've filled in all the required contact information, you can submit your non-binding inquiry. Our team will contact you as soon as possible.